Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Infiniti G37. Properly aimed headlights are crucial for safe night driving, preventing glare for oncoming traffic, and ensuring optimal visibility for you. We will cover the simple steps to get your headlights perfectly aligned. You will only need a few basic tools, like a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape, to complete this easy adjustment. Before you begin, park your Infiniti G37 on a flat, level surface, exactly 25 feet away from a wall. This distance is critical for accurate adjustment. Make sure your tire pressure is set to the manufacturer's recommended specifications. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight lens and mark this height on the wall with tape. Now, open your hood to access the headlight assemblies. For vertical adjustment, look for a screw, typically on the top of the headlight unit, that controls the up and down movement. For horizontal adjustment, you'll find another screw, usually on the side, which moves the beam left and right. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to turn these screws slowly. Once you've made your adjustments, the top of the low beam cutoff should be about 2 inches below your marked line on the wall. The horizontal aim should be centered directly in front of your vehicle. Take your Infiniti G37 for a test drive on a dark road to confirm the headlights are perfectly aimed. This ensures maximum visibility and safety for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.